Hello everyone, welcome to Wise Tips channel. My name is Nobuya Yamanaka. I'm a financial planner. This channel is to help people who live in Japan as a foreigner. To start a new life in different country must be very stressful. You have a lot of logistics to do. I hope my videos can help you to understand Japanese systems better. Today, I'd like to talk about two types of healthcare insurance. As I said before, Japanese social insurance systems are divided into three categories. So you'd better to understand which category you are in, also which type of healthcare insurance you are covered by. There are two types of healthcare insurance. One is national healthcare insurance, which is called 国民健康保険 in Japanese. Another one is employees healthcare insurance, which is called 健康保険 in Japanese. If you are government workers or employees for companies, you belong to category number 2. People in group 2 are covered by employees healthcare insurance. You have common benefits and additional benefits such as sickness and injury benefits and maternity benefits. Those are compensations for absence without any salaries. If you are a dependent spouse and your husband belongs to category number 2, that means you belong to category number 3. People in group 3 are covered by employees healthcare insurance, but you have only common benefits. If your husband belongs to category number 2, you can be group 2 or group 3, depending on your salary. If you work for the company as a part-timer and you earned more than 1,300,000 yen per year, you will be in category number 2. If you earn less than that, you will be category number 3. What is the difference between number 2 and number 3? If you belong to category number 2, that means you have to pay your healthcare insurance premiums by yourself. But if you are in category number 3, that means you don't have to pay any healthcare insurance premiums. Because healthcare insurance premiums are paid by all the people who belong to category number 2. Here is an exception. If you work for the larger company, the borderline will be less. If you work for yourself, such as shop owners or freelancers, you belong to category number 1. People in group 1 are covered by national healthcare insurance. If you are a dependent spouse and your husband belongs to category number 1, that means you belong to category number 1, not 3. In this case, you have to pay your healthcare insurance premiums by yourself, and you're covered by national healthcare insurance. When it comes to healthcare insurance, in some cases, you have to be very careful. Even though you work for the company, that doesn't mean you are always covered by employees' healthcare insurance, because some smaller companies are not responsible for providing you employees' healthcare insurance. If you work for a private company, you may be in group 1. If you work for a corporation, you may be in group 2. So you'd better to check whether you are covered by national healthcare insurance or employees' healthcare insurance. What happens if you are infected by coronavirus? In coronavirus case, all medical expenses are free. Since coronavirus is so severe disease, government want to expand the sickness and injury benefits to not only the people who belong to category number 2, but also the people who belong to category number 1. This is a good news for the people who belong to category number 1, but here is an exception. Since if your employers, you don't have a sickness and injury benefit even though in coronavirus case. So if you're covered by National Healthcare Insurance, you can ask any questions to your local city hall. If you're covered by employees' healthcare insurance, you can ask any questions to your companies. I hope today's information helps you to understand social insurance systems better. That's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. I hope I can see you again. Goodbye.